Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're gonna fly the bird of time. The wind just died, so maybe I'll be able to get her up nice and high and get good thermals. Vertical on that one. There you go. There you go.
Take it off, Frank.
Alrighty. Still climbing. Hope you guys can still see this. She's still climbing a little bit. There she goes. She's picking up a little bit more air. Fly underneath this contrail. There she goes. Definitely gotta put speed brakes on this. During the winter time, we're gonna do that because trying to reach around here. Still just one of the best gliders out there. Let's get up high. What's nice about having a motor on it, not like the old powered road Cox motors, at least you can climb up to a safer altitude, shut the motor off, and you can just ridge ride. Since we got a little bit of ridge here, just gotta make sure you don't stall out. Keep that momentum up. Another plane up there. Cloud right there. Shut the battery off. Oh, you don't want to shut the battery off because then you'll have no control. So right now the battery is just running the receiver and me controlling it. we go, a little lift right there, right there. Air off the I'm gonna bring it in. Good landing. Oh, well, guys, did a tip stall and then landed nice and calmly. Smash the thumbs up button, and we will catch you on the next one. Bottle Man Frank.